Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, here at the new home site, and let's talk a little bit about the deck. They've got it all framed. I don't think they're finished yet. There's still a few details they have to work out, but there's a lot to look at. Remember, I'm not building this home. This is not my job. If you see any mistakes, they're not mine. If you discover something new, I'd appreciate it if you would click that thanks text link under the video. Let's check out the deck framing. This is a pretty big deck. It's an L-shaped deck. This is the back of the house. And right here, they won't cut it out yet. There's going to be a double, like a French door that you can walk out of here. Or maybe it's a single door, I can't remember, out onto the deck here. But this deck here sticks out about 8 feet. Pretty much useless. If you want to put a table anywhere on a deck, the deck has got to come out at least 12 feet. 10 foot's not enough, and this only looks like it's 8 feet. But then you can see the rest of the deck, pretty big, pretty big. Probably from here to all the way down to the end, good chance that's about 36 feet. And here's what's kind of unique. It's going to be really nice in the summertime. They've completely covered, they've got a roof over the entire deck. And it's going to be not bad. I mean, I've lived here on this street for 12 years, and what's going to happen in the summertime, in June, the sun is going to rise right about here, and it's going to kind of go up. So in June, this deck will be, it'll pretty much be in the shade. But in the early or late part of the spring, late part of the summer, you're going to be in the sun here. Just like now you can see the sun is right there in the sky, and it's November 5th. So, but not many people are out in November. We have some unseasonably warm weather happening right now. All right, but let's talk a little bit about the deck. First of all, they've got this giant triple 2x12 that runs all the way along here. They have it supported with a 6x6 here. They've got that done right. They've got a post base there. They have a metal Simpson post base under that little post as well. That's good. And they have one here too. Not real happy with this detail here. I don't know what they're going to do. There's no joist hanger here. Oh, yes, there is. I take it back. Look at that. They put a double in. They have a double joist hanger that goes to here. And that's how the weight of this beam is being transferred over to this very, very long, giant, you know, OSB parallel beam. It's huge. You know, look at the size of that beam, you know, out here. And huge, that big parallel. It's a kind of an interesting word. All right, but anyway, let's look more at the post here, see what they did right. I'm actually kind of surprised. Once again, they've got a post base. They've got a metal connector connecting this post to the pier. That's good. And they did the right thing here. They've got a metal connector plate to connect the post to the beam. Many places I've seen around here, they just nail this. They don't use this. This is a really good idea. That's the way it should be done. They've got them on all the posts, so that's a really, really good thing. Back here, though, a little bit of a problem, in my opinion. I noticed this the other day. So, what they've done to try to protect the sheathing on the house is before they put the ledger board on, sorry you're getting blown up by the sun, they put this gray Sison water shield on. All right, not a bad idea. But they just, I know the sun's blowing you out, I know you can't see this. They just nailed, there we go. They just nailed this ledger board to the wall frame inside, and I guess every now and then they've put a big timber screw. That's really a bad idea. This needs to be through bolted. You need to through bolt ledger boards, you know, onto houses. It's that simple. Nailing and screwing like that is not acceptable, in my opinion, and most engineers would agree. And at this point, they have not yet put joist hangers on, and I think they're going to come back and do that. And the reason why is they're doing it every place else. I'll go and show you. Let's go around and look at the small section of the deck. First of all these joist hangers are in this box, and they've just not yet put them on. And you can see here, at this other end of the long deck, they've started to put them on. you know, they just got a few on. They haven't fixed them all yet. It just, you know, you can actually see what happened is they were putting them on all the way down this here on this long part of the deck. And of course it was Friday yesterday, and then all the rest of these they've yet to put them on. So I know they're going to put them on, and it looks like they're using the correct nails, although you should use the Simpson little lag bolts here. Nails are really the wrong way to go. They've kind of switched away from joist hanger nails, and it's best to put these small 1.5" structural little lag bolts that Simpson strong tie sells. So make sure you do that on your deck. All in all, they're not doing a bad job on this deck. These carpenters, while they can't speak English, they're doing a pretty good job. All kind of just minor things that I would really kind of want to change. I can tell you that this particular job probably would give it a B+ overall. They still have a few more days of work. I suspect it's going to take them one more week, and they'll be pretty much finished. So it's been, I think they've been on the job maybe 3 weeks, almost a month. There's a lot of wood in this house, I'm telling you right now. I don't know what the lumber package cost. I'm just taking a wild guess that the lumber on this particular job could have been $50,000. But I may be wrong. Could be high, could be low. But I don't track the lumber, and it goes up and down. But I'm just telling you, there is a lot of lumber in this home, and a lot of engineered lumber. If you have any questions, if you need help on your job, I do phone consults. If you discovered something new, go ahead and click that thanks text link underneath the video. I'd appreciate it. That allows me to make more videos for you faster. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.